Welcome back to the Elanix AI YouTube channel, where we help you save time, money, and avoid the headache. In today's video, I'll be taking you through a live client build-out, building the system with you step by step so you could hopefully try and do something like this for yourself. In today's video, we're going to be building an automated content poster for a client in the pest control industry. So let's get started. Right now we are in make.com and we're going to build out this scenario. Let's just call this auto poster. So how this is going to work is going to take files from Google Drive, send it over to Google Gemini, generate a nice caption for us, and then post it automatically to the social platforms that we want to post on, saving us a lot of time. So let's create the first module. It's going to be Google Drive, watch files in folder. That's going to just monitor the folder. As soon as we add new post, it's going to take it and post it on the schedule that we set. So watch files by created time, choose drive, my drive, and select folder. I already named the folder here, social media ads. All files limit to. Okay, all cool. For this, you'll have to set up your Google connection. You might run into a restricted scope error, but I made a video up here that's going to help you fix that problem. Then we can save it. Okay, and then I'm going to choose, it's going to ask you where to start. Choose manually, and this way you can see if it is pulling the data. Let's start with the first image, save. Okay, just for some understanding, this is the folder we'll be using. It has a bunch of adverts that I need to post to the social media. So I'll take this Google Drive and I'll connect it to an HTTP module. And I'll click get a file. So all this is going to do is it's going to take the picture link so we can use it to be posted. We're going to scroll down here. Here's all our variables from Google Drive. And the one we're going to click is, okay, sorry, we need to run this first. Let's just run this. Let's get rid of this. Let's just run this thing. Okay, we need to run it first so we can get a bundle. Bundle is a bunch of information that we have, and we can see here it's pulling in everything we need, actually a lot more than what we need. We're gonna go back here, HTTP, get a file. In the URL, now, as you can see, very nicely laid out for us. It has everything. So what I will put in here is the web view link. Okay, and I'm going to click save, and I'm going to connect this to a flow control router, and that's going to allow us to disperse the automation so it goes to Facebook, Instagram, and I think it's just those two that we might need. So router, then yeah, I'm gonna go to Google Gemini, create a completion. Now for Google Gemini, you will need to connect your account and get your API key. It's very simple. You just click the link and it will show you right in there where to get your API key, paste it in, and you're good to go. For the model, 2.0 Flash is fine. Messages, like I explained in the previous video, the messages are basically what we're telling the AI to do. The system message is what the AI takes as its own instruction, and then the user message is taking the place of us typing out a prompt. So for a quick example, you'd click the model row, add an item, text, and now this is going to be the section where we're explaining to the AI what its role is and what its purpose is, giving it that context. So when we provide the prompt, it's going to just be a much better outcome. You're an expert. Okay, so so now I'm just telling the Gemini model what it's expected to be and act as. So expert copywriter for pest-centered control. Okay, that's good. Then we can add the next item. This time it's going to be, sorry, not over here, under here. This time it's going to be a user role, add, it's a text message. So I'm going to say here, please write a 2-sentence caption for this social media post. Let's say 3. Okay, and then in here I'll put in the data. Okay, let's see if that's gonna work. So we just, what I mean is, when I put this data block in the prompt, when Gemini reads this, it's going to refer to the data block, which is this HTTP module, and hopefully see the picture, and then it can refer to the picture when generating the caption. From here we're gonna go to Facebook, pages, create a post with photos, and you'll set up your Facebook connection. It's not difficult. Then you select the page you want to post to, photos, upload, HTTP, get a file, that module that we added earlier, the blue one, made this possible. Caption we're going to leave out, and in message we're going to put result. And that's the outcome of our prompt that we gave Gemini. So let's run this once and see if it's going to post. No. Okay, so this type of error means that over here I put in the wrong module block. It's not supposed to be this first one. It's actually a little bit lower. Let's see. Web content link is the one at the bottom. I thought that would happen. So it's actually the one closer to the bottom. It's not the web view link under spaces. So save that. That should fix it, and let's see. Hopefully we get a better result. Gemini is creating the prompt, and I like to see this. It means it's loading to Facebook. There we go. So now let's check Facebook and see. As you can see, I haven't refreshed it yet, just to show you there hasn't been new post under here. It's just a profile picture update. So once I click the refresh button, I should be seeing a brand new post. So now, upon inspecting this, okay, nice little advert there, I noticed that it still contains words from the GPT, right? And ChatGPT does this as well. Let me know if you need adjustments. This one is explaining details. So yeah, this thing needs to be fixed. All I would need to do is clear this entire section, right? So let's go back to make and fix that. Model. Okay. So I'm going to specify that we do not want this in the final prompt. Exclude. what works really well when you are talking to a large language model is just to provide examples of what you do want, right? And I would actually like it to have some emojis. Okay, include an emoji. Let's save that. Let's run it again and let's see if the outcome is going to be a little better, a little more flushed out and not so robotic. Okay, so if I check Facebook again, let's refresh this, and there we go, right there. As you can see, beautiful advert. And what it's doing is it's going in I think it's going in order, but it's taking a new post each time. And this time we fixed the prompt, so now it just says don't let pets bug you any longer, hashtag hashtag hashtag, and a nice little house emoji. This is perfect. And now this is going to just be working on autopilot, helping this brand grow their business, attract more leads, attract more clients on autopilot. And at a fraction of the cost, you don't need to hire some huge agency to do it. And the next step would be to connect this from this side. You could even connect the router afterwards, after the Gemini, and have it connect to Facebook, Instagram, X. I recently did a video on our Twitter bot that posts automatically, and you have an automated content scheduler, manager, poster. And if you really want to get advanced, or you could add in Dumpling AI and have photo generation. So now the content's being created, captioned, and posted completely automatically. I hope this tutorial helped. I hope it could share you some valuable insight into how to build these type of systems. And if this type of thing interests you, maybe you're a business owner and you want to expand your business, feel free to visit us with the link in the description. You can give us a call. We'll do a quick discovery call, an audit to see how we can implement AI into your business. But that's all from me. Hope this video was good, helping you save time, money, and avoid the headache. I'll see you in the next one.